Rambrai Jyrngam. Is there any effect on your voters?
Yeah, some voters, yeah, surely it may affect, but even then, majority voters among the Garo voters is very much with me, and I'm not only depends on the Garo voters. Many of my Lingam voters say like Nong Trai and this Mauling area and Rambrai area also. Many of my friends and supporters, and they lead me to independent constituency and polling station, especially in the Rambrai area. It is new to me, of course it is new to me, this Rambrai area. And then many of my friends, they have encouraged me and they have taken me to respective polling station and they have encouraged me to contest.
Who is your biggest rival in this election?
Of course, sitting MLA has got, yeah.
Any suggestion for the symbol?
Symbol, yeah, there is a 3 option. I have option. One is auto, one is what they call truck, one is helicopter. So among these,
And who is your favorite?
auto? So
Auto rickshaw.
yeah, auto rickshaw.
Okay, did anybody suggest you to contest or?
Yes, my supporters. See,